In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Chrome and Play Store. When you're ready, access them in the background and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it and select split screen from the list. Then click on the second one. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!